Hi, I'm Melissa and today we'll be going over the Goyard Plumet pocket pouch. If you're new here, be sure to subscribe so you can stay updated with all my new uploads. And if you have any suggestions for new bag videos, let me know and I'll try my best to do those. Let's get right into it. This is a sleek little pouch from Goyard. It has a flat shape and it comes in a canvas, coated canvas, and it has leather accents along the edges and the strap is all leather. On the front, you have a little knob. This one is in silver, and then this is in gray. You have also this Goyardine print, which is classic to the brand. This is a snap closure. On the sides, you have the strap attachment here to this loop, and then you kind of just have these leather pouches which are part of the inside. They do spread open a little bit, but otherwise they stay flat when nothing is inside. Also, the strap is detachable. It is just one length. You can't adjust the size of the strap or the length of the strap, but you can detach it if you want to use it as a clutch or maybe attach a different strap, or just in general, maybe if you want to use this as a little pouch inside a larger bag. On the back, you do have a generous sized pocket. This one fits my phone really comfortably. I have the regular sized iPhone. It does have a few more inches. Maybe the max would fit, but I'm not sure because I don't have one to check. And then when you open it up, here you have uncoated canvas on the flap. You kind of have 3 compartments. On the front, you have this canvas with a pocket here. It's just one main compartment, and then a zipper section in the middle. It is this nice smooth zipper. And then another main compartment with a card slot on this side now. So it's kind of like the front pocket but flipped. And then this is nothing here on the back where the flap attaches. Let me give you the measurements so you can get an exact view of the size and you can compare it to anything you need to. Let me show you what fits inside this bag. Because of this bag's flat shape, I feel like it would work really well for travel because you can pack it flat and you don't have to worry about it getting squished. You can put clothes and everything you need to on top, but it also kind of expands to fit whatever you put inside. If you want to put like passports and like a few other small essentials, this would be great for that, and that the crossbody strap is really comfortable if you're wearing it all day long. Let's look at what can fit inside. I will put my phone in the back pocket because I feel like you want like quick access to that, and it fit really nicely in there. It does fit a little bit more snug in these main pockets, and it does not fit into this middle pocket, my phone. And then I have like a few cards. You can put those in the middle section, or you can even put them into these card slots. And then my small to medium sized wallet. A card holder would also work really well in here just because it's also quite flat and it doesn't take up much space. And then my keys. I do have a lot of keys. They kind of do stretch out the bag a little bit. You do have to be mindful not to put anything too thick in here because you don't want to overstretch the bag. And then a little lotion. And then let's do a lip gloss. The lip gloss fits nicely sideways. Okay, and then here's how that looks. Everything fit good. You might have a little bit of room for something kind of tall and skinny here on the side, and maybe like a few more dollar bills and stuff. Here's how that looks with everything in it. It definitely expanded a bit, but it doesn't feel too stuffed. Maybe the keys kind of give it a little bit more stuffing. I just wouldn't want to put anything else in here. I feel like that is already the maximum. Let me do a try on so you can see how this bag looks on and you can get a view of its size. this video of the Goyard Plumet pocket pouch was helpful. If you have any other questions, leave them in the comments and I'll be happy to answer. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.